So hello guys, uh, good good day, and today I am going to teach you on how to set up your Windows server. So let's go. So here are the steps on how to set up your Windows server on your virtual machine. So first is for the part 1. First step is I want you to check your physical or host machine that meets the minimum requirements for running VMware player and hosting a virtual machine. So basically, you should check your own device if it is capable of running a virtual machine and also running it with a Windows server. So let's check our PC. Type in autorun xdiag here. As you can see, we can run the minimum requirement for running a virtual machine with Windows Server 2016. We have a 8 gigabytes of RAM, 4 cores of a CPU with 3.6 gigahertz of power, and then we have at least a more than 500 gigabytes of free space for our virtual machine. So let's go to our let's go and download the Windows Server 2016, since we already make sure that our device can run a virtual machine with Windows Server. So first, visit the Windows Server 2016 Evaluation Center, and I want you to click this one, download the ISO. Next is I want you to fill this up, and once you fill that up, this type of you can see this in your next screen, and then I want you to click the ISO, download the 64-bit edition if your device is running on a 60-bit edition. So then next, I want you to open your VMware Workstation Player. I already opened mine, and then specify the virtual machine's name and location. So I want you to click edit, and then in the hardware tab, CD data SATA, and then I want you to click the ISO, and then next is click and then browse to the downloaded, the one where you download the file of the Windows Server 2016, and I want you to click open, and then next I want you to click OK. Next is I want you to start the virtual machine. Wait, yeah, let's just wait. And I want you to click this one. Wait, let's just wait, guys. here. Then I want you to install it in your virtual machine. I want you to click this one, data experience. I want you to click that one, this standard evaluation edition, and then proceed to next. And I want you to accept, next, and then custom. I want you to custom, and I want you to click new, and then I want you to create a new partition for you to install your Windows server, and then here, and then I want you to format I want you to put your Windows Server 2016 into your primary partition. Then let's just wait. So we are done installing our Windows Server 2016 into our own virtual machine. So now I want you to customize your settings so that it will improve your performance in your virtual machine. So I want you to type in your password, just a simple password, just like 123 123. Okay, let's just try another since it requires a much more complex password. Email address. Here, let's type in our password. So here is our virtual machine right here. Now I want you to check if there is a internet connection. Here we have a internet connection here, and I want you to go to your network settings and then check your I want you to check your IP address. So let's check first our own IP address in our own host device. Sorry. I want you to go to your own CMD prompt. I want you to check CMD. I want you to go to command prompt and then I want you to type ipconfig all. So here is our let's check our own. Here are the details of our own virtual machine's IP address, and we are going to compare it with our own device. CMD command prompt. As you can see here, we have a similar IP address here. Very similar. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next soon.